He's here. He's definitely here.
Huh? Ooh, boo! Get him, get him. He's here.
Ah, we're gonna get him. Ah, oh, he's running so fast. Oh, get him. Oh, where's he going? What's going on? Oh, we gotta get him. Where's he going? Ah, we're gonna get him.
Huh?
Got a ghost problem. We can't really help you, but call it 100 Ghost Stash and we'll give him a new stash. Ghost Stash 1-800-200-0089.